Searching for the best fitness tracker for swimming in 2026? Everything looks the same. Same claims, same photos, same IP68 waterproof labels. But here's the thing. Not all waterproof means swim-proof. Some fail in deep water. Others lose GPS signal mid-lap. And a few can't even track stroke count correctly. Today, we cut through the noise. Product number 1, EchoBite 2026 Smartwatch. Let's start with the EchoBite 2026 Smartwatch. Priced at just under $27, this is one of the most affordable options on the list. What caught my eye was its Alexa integration and 100+ sport modes, including a dedicated swimming mode. At first glance, it looks like a steal. Bluetooth calling, heart rate monitoring, and IP68 rating. If you want basic swim tracking without spending a fortune, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The IP68 rating means it can handle being submerged in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. Perfect for pool laps or shallow open water swims. The GPS via smartphone helps track distance when you're swimming outdoors, though it won't work independently underwater. The VeryFit app gives decent insights into your stroke count and calories burned, which is rare at this price. Over 500 people bought it last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the feature list suggests solid value. Now, some people might worry about build quality at this price, and honestly, the plastic body feels a bit flimsy compared to premium models. One user mentioned the screen scratched after a few weeks of pool use. Here's the thing though. If you're not diving into deep water or doing triathlons, it holds up fine for casual swimming. Just don't expect military-grade durability. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner swimmer or someone who wants basic tracking during water aerobics or lap swimming on a budget. Skip this one if you're training for competitions or need advanced metrics like SWOLF score or stroke type detection. For under $30, it's a solid entry point. Product number 2, EchoBite Twin Model Variant. Wait, this looks almost identical to the first one? You're not wrong. This is another EchoBite model priced even lower at $25.49 with nearly the same specs. 1.83-inch HD screen, Bluetooth 5.3, Alexa, and IP68 rating. The key difference? Slightly fewer units sold, 300 plus this month, and possibly a minor hardware tweak. If you want the same features for even less, this could be your pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The core functionality remains strong for swimming. It tracks heart rate continuously, logs swim sessions automatically, and syncs with the VeryFit app to show trends over time. The waterproofing is identical. Fine for pool use, but avoid hot tubs or ocean swims where salt water can seep in. The voice assistant works surprisingly well, even with wet hands, which is handy post-swim. Now, the flaw. Since it's so similar to the first model, you're basically choosing between two versions of the same product. Some buyers reported connectivity drops during long swims, likely due to weak Bluetooth signal when the watch is fully submerged. Here's the thing though, if your phone is nearby on the pool deck, it reconnects quickly. Not ideal for open water swimmers, but manageable for most. This is perfect for you if you want the cheapest reliable option and don't mind minor hiccups. Skip this one if you need consistent underwater data sync or plan to use it in saltwater. It's a near identical twin, just slightly cheaper. Product number 3, FemPoint 1.96-inch HD smartwatch. Now, we shift gears with the FemPoint smartwatch. Just $19, but with a bigger 1.96-inch screen and 110 plus sport modes. What stands out immediately is the lack of built-in GPS, which is a red flag for outdoor swimmers. But for pool use, it's surprisingly capable. The GloryFit app offers detailed sleep and heart rate analysis, and the IP68 rating holds up during laps. If you want a large display and don't need GPS, this is a bold budget choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 320 by 380 resolution screen stays clear even in sunlight, so you can check your lap count mid-swim. It tracks stroke count and calories fairly accurately for a sub-$20 device. The 300 milliamp hour battery lasts 5 to 7 days, so you won't be charging it every other day. Over 200 people bought it recently, and while reviews are missing, the feature density is impressive. Now, the flaw. No GPS means zero distance tracking in open water. If you swim in lakes or oceans, you're flying blind. Also, the USB charging port isn't as convenient as magnetic chargers. Getting it wet before fully drying can cause corrosion over time. Here's the thing though, if you're strictly a pool swimmer, GPS isn't essential. Just use pool length settings in the app. This is perfect for you if you swim indoors and want a big screen for easy readability. Skip this one if you train in open water or hate USB charging. For under $20, it's a steal. Just know its limits.
Product number 4, Guidem Smartwatch for Women. Now we jump to a premium contender, the Guidem Smartwatch at $79.99. This isn't just a fitness tracker. It's a full-featured smartwatch with SpO2 monitoring, Alexa, and 2 interchangeable bands. The 1.8-inch HD display is bright and responsive, even underwater. With 110+ sport modes and IP68 rating, it's built for serious swimmers. If you want accuracy, style, and smart features, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The advanced sensors track blood oxygen levels during recovery swims, great for monitoring fatigue. The VeryFit app gives deep sleep analysis, which helps optimize rest between training sessions. It also supports Bluetooth calling, so you can take a call right after your swim without reaching for your phone. Over 100 sold this month, and the 3-year warranty shows confidence in durability. Now, the flaw. At $80, it's the most expensive here, and some users say the battery drains faster with heavy use, down to 3 to 5 days. Also, the touchscreen can lag slightly when wet, making quick menu navigation tricky mid-workout. Here's the thing though, if you charge it every few days and use physical buttons for key functions, it's a minor trade-off for the rich feature set. This is perfect for you if you're a serious swimmer who values data depth and smart integration. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only swim casually. You're paying for precision, and it delivers. Product number 5, Kuker 1.96-inch pink smartwatch. Finally, the Kuker smartwatch, just $15.99, with a massive 1.96-inch screen and 110+ sport modes. The pink color option stands out, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with features: Bluetooth calling, heart rate monitoring, and IP68 waterproofing. The GloryFit app supports 200+ watch faces, so you can customize it to match your swimwear. If you want the biggest screen for the lowest price, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The large display makes it easy to read lap counts and heart rate at a glance, even with goggles on. It tracks swimming automatically and logs calories burned with decent accuracy. The 300 mAh battery charges in 2 hours and lasts up to 7 days, perfect for daily swimmers. Only 50+ sold this month, but the specs suggest strong potential. Now, the flaw. The plastic build feels cheap, and the speaker for calls is tinny, hard to hear over pool noise. Also, no SpO2 or stress tracking, which limits health insights. Here's the thing though, if you just want basic swim logging and call alerts, it does the job. Don't expect medical grade data. This is perfect for you if you want a colorful, large screen tracker for pool laps under $20. Skip this one if you need advanced health metrics or durable materials. It's fun, functional, and ultra affordable. So which one should you pick? For under $20, the FemPoint and Kuker offer great screens and basic swim tracking. The EcoBite models are nearly identical. Go for the cheaper one. If you want premium features and don't mind spending $80, the Guidem is the clear winner. Remember, IP68 isn't dive-proof, and GPS often fails underwater. Choose based on your swim style, not just the specs. Drop your favorite in the comments and swim smart.